So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to explore bonds here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, go to the bottom here and press on the Explore tab located between charts and ideas. Press on Explore. Once you're on the Explore Markets right here, just slide this top bar all the way to the right until you come across bonds right here, located between the economy and futures. Press on bonds. Now we're just bonds right here. You can go ahead and just check the bonds right here by just scrolling through a bunch of different countries' bonds right here. There's some news right here if you want to explore relating to the bond market. There's US bonds right here. There's European bonds right here. There's some ideas. Basically, all the stuff regarding bonds will be on this bonds tab right here under the Explore Markets icon. So yeah, super simple, super straightforward. But if you wanted to explore bonds, this is how you guys can do it. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.